Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use ultra clear mode for high resolution photos in camera of your OnePlus 15R smartphone. First of all, let's open the camera application itself. Then tap the three stripes icon in the top right corner of your camera application, go to settings, open formats, and select high resolution for photos. Then reopen your photo mode and take a photo with a high resolution. By the way, in the same menu that we've reviewed, we could also use high efficiency photos mode, which will try to keep our photos as good as possible, reducing the image size. And here is what high resolution photo looks like on this phone. That's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.